Creating an advanced survey doesn't have to be complicated. You've got the basics, and now it's time to explore. To get you started, I'll show you an overview of multiple advanced options in expanding your survey development skills. Learn more about each in their own video segments. I'll start my survey from scratch. I'll start by adding a rating question. It might not look that advanced, but whether I choose a rating scale, rating dropdown, or rating radio button, I can add weights to my answer options. Now, in reporting, I'll be able to analyze both frequency and average weighted score. Next, piping lets me use the answer to my rating question to customize my next question. Even without knowing my participant's answer yet, I can drag and drop it into a question on a later page. One more question type to highlight: the matrix grid. A matrix grid helps me keep participants focused on a few related questions together. I can ask multiple questions all in the same pattern, so participants have an easier time understanding and comparing. I'll add the matrix grid and then a few more questions. Because participants are so important, I don't want to waste their time with questions that don't matter to them. I have a few choices in deciding what they see. Beyond simple branching, let's look at advanced branching and question display logic. Advanced branching is a smart way to really focus who sees which pages based on multiple conditions. For example, in my case, I want all who have been with the company for 5 or more years and are not managers or directors to be asked about the company leadership program. Once I've chosen where to branch, I can apply advanced branching and set my conditions. Question display logic is a quick way to ask a follow-up question, even on the same page. For example, if someone is part of our employee benefits program, I can ask for feedback on the program. As I wrap up my survey, I'll add a header and a logo. The header will be my title. For my logo, I'll choose my company logo. Finally, I'm thinking of one more way to customize for my participants. Since they're my employees, I know some information about them already. So, I can pre-fill some answers by setting those questions for data population. In this case, pre-population, hidden. I'll hide the questions now to save my participants time, then add the information for them when I load my email address list. When I preview, these questions are hidden. My survey's done, and I'm ready to distribute. Since it's going to be open for a while, I'd like to stay informed whenever someone submits a response. Rules and Alerts includes a number of different options for setting conditions on when and how these kinds of messages should be sent. I can even send instant thanks messages to my participants as soon as they submit. Next stop, distribution.